get started.
And if you like our videos, please
Subscribe to our channel.
And hit the like button. We're just going to take them out and then open them
and see what we got. Oh, blue. I like different colors. Different colors are fun. More blue. Ooh, Amazon. This one's kind of heavy.
Okay.
No, watch her. She'll hit me with it.
I am extremely cold today, so I got my big jacket on. Y'all just gonna have to excuse me.
Alright, how many? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay. I'm gonna start. I got the blue one. I don't really know where it was going because it was burnt. So
Yeah, it looks like they're all pretty much burnt.
Yeah. So you can't see where they were going.
Yep, can't see where they were going.
Slide right out.
Yeah, they're having a hard time. They got that thing really in there today. We got it in a bag, and the bag takes to the box.
So it's in a bag. Then it's in a bag. In a box. The outside thing says LED.
We usually say where they were going, blah, 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 but they burn them all off, as you can see.
I mean, geez Louise. And then they tape the boxes together. Well, that was... Okay. Now I'll see if I can get into it. Boxes make me nervous because sometimes I get some things.
Yeah. Bulbs.
It's giant bulbs, but I'm assuming they do different colors because they have a little remote control with them.
So that's 2 of them.
Yeah, so there's 2 of them. So that's cool.
Let's see. Dashboard wireless car charger. Huh.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with the Amazon bag. Yeah, they were all burned off, so I don't know where they were going, so. Okay, so inside the Amazon thing, this one was going to Washington. Backbone Dragon Ball? I don't know what that means. We're gonna find out! Okay, we're not gonna find out because I have no idea what this is.
Let me see. It says it's a Nike Air symbol.
I don't know what it is.
I don't know. She ought to check that out.
Yeah.
Okay. So mine. Oh, okay. Mine is a super fast charging desktop charger.
That's cool.
That is cool. I know you're not getting it.
The last time we got one that charged my my watch, my AirPods, and my phone all in one. Alright, let's see what this other blue one is. This other blue one is wind chimes. And I see a little hummingbird.
A hummingbird, yeah.
Alright. That's cool.
was taped up pretty darn good. Okay. So we have another desktop charger.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, it looks like I interfered on some Halloween stuff that didn't go where it's supposed to be. Looks like this is a tablecloth that says trick or treat. This says trick or treat. And then there are 2 wigs in here. It says pixie wigs for black women. I'm just reading what it says. It has a wig cap in there. And then this one just says inside where you can see the linear wig cap. So it's just wigs and Halloween stuff.
This is an Amazon bag. There's a box in the bag. Alright.
I think that was mine. I think I just moved it over there.
Okay, is that what it was?
Yeah. Whoops.
Okay, you can have it.
No, I was talking about the paper,
Oh.
not the thing.
Well. Hello.
Oh,
Merry
it's Christmas plates. Someone didn't get their little Christmas plates for their Christmas dinner. You could really get those at the Dollar Tree.
Yeah, you don't have to order those from Amazon.
Okay, so these are whatever this was. We're about to find out. This is the one that was kind of heavy. So we're going to. What the? Oh, does it say? No.
Need some help or you got it? Oh, it's like shelf boards. Got to keep that for sure.
Yeah, but it's something.
Those are the little peg things that goes with them.
I don't know if it's. Where's the picture? There's gotta be a picture of what it is.
Some kind of shelves.
Yeah, but those are small shelves.
Bathroom? I have no idea. Looks like they just pop in together.
Ooh.
Aha.
Oh, that's one of those. Ooh. It's one of the mini, like bathroom shelving things.
Okay, just pops in together.
Yeah, and then with the toilet paper and it's.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. So that's cool.
Don't lose this piece.
Okay, I won't lose the piece.
Alright, we got 2 more left. I'll let you pick. Big or little.
I'm gonna go with a little. I'm gonna go interesting.
There's yours.
Okay.
Alright. So. This wasn't even in the bag. It was burnt right there, but. Yeah,
That's a cool bag.
it is a cool bag. Hopefully something cool in there. Well,
What is it?
I have no idea. It is an airtight bag. Well, we're gonna find out what it is. I'm thinking it might be one of those beach things that you lay on. I may be wrong. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. You go to the beach. There you you lay it out and lay on it.
So you don't get sand on you?
Yeah, so you don't get all that sand on you. It's got a nice little bag. It goes in.
Well, we're not even close to summertime, so.
No.
So this is some type of watch. It's like a hiking watch. Well, that's what the person in the picture is doing. CFGEM. That's the name of the company. It's a little black watch. That's nice.
Let me see. That's cool.
Well, this one was a different haul.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I might try to put this together for someone to see what it.
Pretty cool. Nice little case. Alright.
Alright, so if you, and I'm just gonna be playing with this and try to put it together just so people can see.
Remember, subscribe and like our videos so we can keep our videos going. We definitely appreciate everybody watching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got a lot of people that watch so far, so we'll keep it up.
Yeah, and hopefully we can keep the videos going. Just hit the subscribe button, hit the like button.